I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, cadets. Let's have a towering Thursday. Huevos imponente. Have a great day.
Good morning, Frederick High School. Is Mrs. Green, and we're here today with today's daily trivia question. Today's question: why was 46 BCE called the year of confusion? Was it was the first leap year, or it had 2 extra months, or the first solar eclipse was recorded, or daylight saving time began? As always, drop your answer in the box below and we will let you know the answer tomorrow.